I would never thought I would become a programmer, but one late night changed everything. At that time, I was doing my bachelor's degree while working part-time. I had no idea what coding was. I just took admission randomly. But one night, I watched a movie called Iron Man, and it sparked something in me. I was fascinated by the AI system called Jarvis. I started researching how something like that could be created, and I found out that to build an AI system, you need to learn coding. That curiosity led me to Python, and that's how my journey into coding began. So, from this story, you can see there was one important thing, a question. A question that triggered everything. That's why the first thing you need to do is find your why. Why did you start coding? What curiosity brought you here? It could be a dream project, a startup idea, a dream job, or maybe financial freedom. Once you have figured out your why, stick with it. I say this because our priorities change quickly. But if you stay rooted in your why, you will have a direction. The next step is to make a proper plan or roadmap. Programming is a vast field. You can become a software engineer, AI engineer, data engineer, and more. Figure out what you are most interested in. Once you know that, build your roadmap. You can easily find roadmaps online based on your interest. I recommend checking out roadmap.sh. They have roadmaps for almost everything. Now, start learning. You don't need to buy any expensive courses. Everything is available online for free. When I started learning, my major learning resources were YouTube, free code camp, blog posts, and official documentations. You just need to search whatever you want to learn. When following a course, I used to write a lot of code. Many people make the mistake of only watching videos without practicing. That doesn't work. You feel like you are understanding, but you are not. You're just completing the course. After completing any course, I always build at least one real world project. For example, after learning React.js, I made it a rule to build at least one complete project by my own. You should do the same. It will give you a hands-on experience that no course can offer. Projects teach you how things work in the real world. Remember, we are learning to code to solve real world problems, not just to understand syntax. Procrastination was my biggest enemy. Every time I planned to code, I got distracted by something, and most of the time it was because of social media and reels. So I decided to uninstall all distracting applications for 10 days and kept my phone away while coding. Another best method I used was to start with a 30-minute session. Once I got used to it, I slowly increased the time. Soon, I was coding for hours without even noticing the time. I was super excited to explore new technologies and I never had a fear of failure. That's something you should keep in mind. Always welcome new things. Tech evolves fast, you need to keep learning and stay updated. So, never be afraid of learning something new. That's how I got addicted to coding. It all started with a question and the rest followed. Now it's your turn. Find your why, make a plan, stick to it, and never stop coding. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.